for our online class. Students of nursery, this is your online math class. Please take your math book, this one, this is your math book, and open page number 3535. And today I shall teach you about counting numbers. So at first, the first counting number is 1. In the page 35, you can see the number 1. And now I am going to show you write the number 1. So make a straight line like that. Now I am repeating, start a point and make a straight line. So this is the number 1. This is the first counting number. The second number is in the page 36, and this is 2. And you can write the number like that, start with a point and then make a round shape, semicircle, and then make the mark like that, and then from this end point make a straight line horizontally. Again, start with a point and make a semicircle and then continue the line, and then from the end point make a straight line like that. So this is 2. And now the third counting number is 3. In the page 37, and also in your book you can see in the bottom portion you can see the task from the counting number 1. In the bottom portion of the page, the same number has given, and you can trace the number by pencil. Here you have to join all the dots and then you can get the same number. So now let's see the number 3. The first step is start with a point and make a semicircle like that. Then again from the end point make same thing. Again make a semicircle. So start with a point, make a semicircle, and then again from the end point make a semicircle. So the number is 3. And similarly as the previous number, you can see in the bottom portion the same task has given and you can do the task. Now turn the page number 3838, and now the number is 4. So again draw a small straight line, then from the end point draw a small straight line horizontally like L. This is like L, look like L in your English alphabets. Then again from upper portion start a straight line like that. So the number is 4. Now I am repeating. At first make a small straight line, then from the end point again make a straight line horizontally, and then from upper portion again make a long straight line like that. So the number is 4. Now the next counting number 5 in page number 39. 39. So make a small straight line, then from the end point make a semicircle. Okay, make a semicircle. Then from the upper portion of the straight line make a small straight line horizontally. So it's made 5, the number 5. Now turn the page number 40, this one, and open page number 4444. So in the previous class you have learnt the counting number from 1 to 5, and today I shall teach you from the number 6. Already in your book you can see the number 6, and now I am writing the number in the board. So let's start writing the number. At first start with a point and make a curved line, and then like that make a circle. Make a circle like that at the end of the curve. So again I am repeating. At first start from a point and then make a curved line, and at the end of the curve make a circle like that. So the number is called 6. And in your book page number 44, in the bottom portion you can see the task. When you will join all the dots with pencil, you can get the letter 6. The number 6. Now turn the page number 4545, and here the number is 7. So the first step is draw a small straight line horizontally. Then from the right side of the line make a long straight line like that. Again start with a point and make a small straight line horizontally. Then from the right side of the line make a long straight line like that, and the number 7 is here. Now the next number is 8. Page number 4646. Here the number is 8. So you can write the number like that. Make a circle. Start with a point and make a circle like that. Then again turn the circle in bottom and join with the point. So at first start with a point and make a circle, then again in the bottom make a circle and join with the same point. So the number is 8. Now the next number 9, page number 4747. The number is 9. So how can you write the number? Similarly as the number 8, make a circle or oval. Make a oval. Start with a point and make a oval shape like that, and then from the same point draw a straight line. Again I am writing the number. Please concentrate. Start with a point and make a oval or circle like that, and then from the same point make a straight line. So it's make the number 9. Now I am going to write the number 10. This is very easy. Already in the previous class you have learned how to write 1. So you can write 10 like that. At first write 1. 1 means a simple straight line. Then make a 0. 0 means a circle, a round shape. This is called 0. So 1, 0, make 10. Again see, at first write the number 1. 1 means a straight line, and then make a 0. 0 is a number of round shape or circle. So 1 and 0, it's make the number 10. So from the first counting number up to 10, all the numbers, now I am writing all the numbers, all the counting numbers from 1. The numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So from 1 the counting numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So from 1 up to the number 10, all the counting number has completed, and now your task is you have to practice all the number in your notebook regularly. Thank you students for joining in our online class.